Hello, Laura. How are you? I'm Andy. Right now, I'm in the workshop for produce the JD-008 pallet strapping system. You can see there are a lot of finished products for shipping. And compared with the competitors, the red one made in Germany, ours has some advantages, such as it can climb as high as 2.8 meters high, and our machine also match a lot of ceiling head, all called strapping tools, such as the Transpac H46 and our tools A16 and Ogapac ORT 260, and from Ita Tools, all strapping tools can install on this machine. It's very convenient, and also the price is very nice. I think if your company can promote our JD-008 pallet strapping system, I think it will bring a great success in your markets. And thank you very much for your inquiry, and always my best wishes for you, for your business, for your life. All my best wishes. Thank you, my friends.